Hey guys, how's it going? So today I'm going to show you how to draw the Fortnite Season 9 cake. So to start off with our cake, we want to begin with the actual tall part of the cake. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of goes down with a little bit of a curve. Then I'm going to take this line and I'm just going to draw it straight across. And then I'm going to turn this top part into icing. So I'm going to curve this down and I'm just going to make it kind of wavy all over the place, like different lengths like this. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down. And then I'm going to make this line go down a little farther, draw it across, and then I'm going to put icing at the bottom. I'm just going to make it wavy like that. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up. I'm going to make a big bump here, and then I'm going to add some more icing like this. Then I'm just going to draw a line that goes down. And then over here, I'm going to make another line that goes down to about the same spot. Now, right here, I want to draw a little slice of the cake. So I'm going to draw a line that just goes straight across and then curves down. Then I'm just going to make a wavy line around here that comes down to about here. Then I'm just going to draw a line down right here. Now for the inside of this cake. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make kind of like a wavy rectangle shape that goes over, down, and then over again. And then I'm going to do the same thing here, go over, and then go right down to there. Now, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes down and then over. And then I want to draw the little cake knife in there. So I'm going to draw a line that goes up at an angle and then over like this. I'm going to curve this around for a handle. Then I'm just going to draw a line that goes down and then over. And then I'm just going to draw this line at an angle for the little kind of like cake spatula and draw a little line right here. Now, the cake is sitting on a plate. So, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of curves around to here. And then I'm going to draw a little line that goes down, curves, and then comes back up to here. Now for the candles. So, I'm going to draw a little rectangle right here. And then a taller one over here. And then another one over here. Then at the top of each of these, I'm going to make a little wavy line to show kind of like where the wax is melting. And then I'm just going to draw a couple little curved lines on each one of these. Then I'm going to make a little squiggly line on top of each of these for a flame. I'm going to try to keep them looking different so that way they're not all the same. Now for the big number 2 that's on here. So I'm going to draw a line that goes up. And then it's going to curve around and then down like this. Then I'm going to go over. And then I'm just going to curve this back around all the way to the flame. Then I'm going to go in and over, and then draw part of a rectangle right there. Now we want to make this look three-dimensional. So I'm going to start right here by drawing a diagonal line. Then another one. And then I'm just going to curve this around here. And then I'm going to draw another one right here. Then I'm going to put a diagonal line right here. And then curve it all the way down to here. And then draw a little line right here. Then at the top of this, I'm just going to put a little flame. Now, the last thing that we need are the sprinkles. So I'm just going to make some long, skinny ovals just in some random spots all over the place. And there you go. There is your drawing of the Fortnite Season 9 birthday cake. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.